Lifestyle and Us. I am Madhuparna and today I'm gonna do my go-to ethnic look for you all. So last week I uploaded a status asking how many of you want me to do the look for my previous video, and I was shocked with the result. 100% of the audience voted that they want me to do it. So as promised, here is my go-to ethnic look tutorial. So as you can see that I have no makeup on my face. I've completely washed my face, and it's very important for all of you, before doing any kind of makeup, just make sure that you have washed your face. So first I'm going to start with toning my face. Now I am using this Beauty & Co. Tea Tree Facial Mist. It's very important to moisturize your face before the makeup. So I use this by Good Vibes. It's very good for your acne, and it's also very good in oil control because it's very lightweight. It's very easily get absorbed in my skin. So I'm just gonna take a small pea size amount of it. So I'm gonna first start with my eyes because I know many of you will be like, we use foundation first. I prefer to do my eyes first because after the whole eyeshadow and everything, I don't like the remainings over here, and I have a really hard time getting it off or dusting it off my foundation, and I don't like the whole mess and everything. So I do my eyes first and then I dust off the excess whatever there it is. So starting with my eyes, I first like to conceal my eyes a bit, not completely white or not completely concealer, just a bit, so that I get a even base so that I can work on. And I use this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I will be linking down all the products down in the description box, so you can check it out over there. See that I have lightly concealed my eyes because of course again I want an even base to work on. Now I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. I'm using Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession. So first I'm gonna start off with this one over my eyelids and all over my crease and everything, so that again I get an even skin tone to work at. Now when I do the crease, I usually divide my crease into two parts because I want a bit more high definition. So first I start off with this color, and after I've given my whole crease a neutral brown shade, then I'll go in with this one. My crease is done. This is the first half of the crease. I have given it a bit of a light brown tone. As you can see, it's a bit light brownish. Now I'm going to define it by using the darker tone of brown which I showed in the previous clip. as you can see, the crease of this side is much more darker, and I'm gonna do the same thing over here. This will give my crease and the whole eye a much more defined look. As you can see, the crease is done. I know it looks completely dark and black over there, but trust me, have faith in me, I will fix it all. So after this, I'm gonna go straight to my eyelids. So for the eyelid, I'm gonna apply this again over the lid area. So this is how the whole lookout of the eye is gonna be. Now we are going to just blend any harsh line that is there. So after blending, this is how it will look. Now I'm gonna add a bit of shimmer in the eyelids for a bit more dramatic effect. So we are gonna combine this one and this one over our eyelid. So this is what my eyes are gonna look. Now we are gonna apply eyeliner, and trust me, that is the game changer over here. So for liner, I'll be using this Lakme Absolute Shine Line. So this is what my eyes look after my liner is done. I told you liner is going to be a game changer. So my eyes are done now. Now I'm gonna go for the foundation, and before that I'm gonna dust off all the excess eyeshadow that is there on my cheek and everything. And while I do that, I am gonna apply some lip balm or a lip plumper on my lips, so that by the time I come to my lips, they are a bit more moisturized and a bit more plumped. So now I'm gonna go for my foundation. Now I use this Fit Me by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade Natural Beige. So now let's go ahead with the foundation. I cannot use a highlighter because I have a very oily face, and my oil only acts as its own highlighter. So that's why I'm gonna apply this concealer so that it enhances the high points of my face. Foundation and everything. Now I'm gonna go for my eyebrows, and those who have black eyebrows like me, I would recommend you guys using a dark brown eyebrow pencil. Now for the eyebrows, I'm gonna first start with brushing my eyebrows. I already have thick eyebrows, so I don't need to draw my eyebrows all over again. I'm just gonna fill in the little white spaces that I have. Small hack for all of you those who don't have an eyebrow pencil or anything, I use dark eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this color right over here for my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are done. Now only we are left with the mascara. Now I'm gonna apply mascara, and then I'm gonna apply a bit of brown eyeshadow over here in my waterline. done with the whole eyeshadow and the eye part. Now only the mascara is left, and for that I'm gonna use this Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eye Mascara. So I'm done with my eyes and everything, only the cheeks and the lips are left. Now I don't use blush separately, I use only the lipstick that I'm using, and today I'll be using this Orisa Matte Perfection lipstick from Chambord, and the shade is, I guess, in Spice Terracotta. Now I'm done with my lipstick and my blush, everything. Now I'm gonna just dust off my face with a bit of face powder. Now I'm using this one from Chambord, and this is in the shade Dual Cashew 101. This is the final look. I feel you can easily go for this look if you are trying to sit for a video call, or if you are trying to do a photo shoot in your house. And after this pandemic ends, if you want to go for a family gathering or a temple or any ethnic look, you can easily do this. So please give this look a try and let me know in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, please share it with your friends and family, and also let me know that what other looks you would like me to make. Please subscribe to our channel Lifestyle and Us. Until then, stay healthy, stay positive.